Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Narino channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix incoming and outgoing calls are not working on Android. So let's get started. Well, if you're trying to make a call on your Android and it just doesn't go through, or if someone is trying to call you and you can't receive that call, here the first thing we're going to do to fix this problem, we're going to go in your settings. Once you're in your settings, here we're going to scroll all the way down and we're going to look for apps option. So tap on it. Now we're going to choose the second option, manage apps. And here we're going to look for the phone app. So here it is. Now tap on it. Now we're gonna tap on app permissions, and here you need to make sure that call logs it is set to allow. Also, you give access to microphone and contacts. So make sure to give access to those. Also here I'm gonna make allow contacts. Now the second thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna go back and we're gonna tap on clear data option. Now tap on clear cache and confirm. Again, tap on clear all data. This will pop up and it says all app data including files, settings, account, databases and cache will be permanently deleted. So if you're okay with the deletion, just tap on OK and that will fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.